Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to describe a picture in past indefinite tense and future indefinite tense. Let's start. Past indefinite tense. The girl painted a butterfly. Future indefinite tense. The girl will paint a butterfly. The boy looked through a telescope. The boy will look through a telescope. The children played football. The children will play football. The girl sat on the swing. The girl will sit on the swing. The boy read a book. The boy will read a book. The owl sat on the tree. The owl will sit on the tree. The children laughed loudly. The children will laugh loudly. The boy kicked the ball. The boy will kick the ball. The girl wore a yellow dress. The girl will wear a yellow dress. The boy climbed the tree. The boy will climb the tree. The girl drew a picture. The girl will draw a picture. The children ran on the grass. The children will run on the grass. The boy saw the owl. The boy will see the owl. The girl smiled happily. The girl will smile happily. The caterpillar crawled on the ground. The caterpillar will crawl on the ground. The flowers bloomed in the garden. The flowers will bloom in the garden. The boy sat on the branch. The boy will sit on the branch. The girl held the swing rope. The girl will hold the swing rope. The children enjoyed the park. The children will enjoy the park. The girl colored the picture. The girl will color the picture. The boys played together. The boys will play together. The girl pushed the swing. The girl will push the swing. The girl cleaned her brush. The girl will clean her brush. The boy opened his book. The boy will open his book. The owl looked at the children. The owl will look at the children. The girl planted flowers. The girl will plant flowers. The boy helped his friend. The boy will help his friend. The children shared the ball. The children will share the ball. The owl spread his wings. The owl will spread its wings. The boy threw the ball. The boy will throw the ball. The girl sang a song. The girl will sing a song. The children had fun in the park. The children will have fun in the park. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel for more picture description.